Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam.
What's your name?
My name is Nafisa Islam Neha.
How are you?
I am fine, Alhamdulillah.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Dhaka.
Where do you live?
I live in Dhaka.
What do you do?
I am a home tutor.
Do you have any siblings?
No, I don't have.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am happy.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
What have you eaten for breakfast today?
I have eaten scrambled eggs.
What's your blood type?
My blood type is O positive.
What's the last book you have read?
I have read
What's the last movie you have seen?
I have seen Orphan 2.
What time do you usually get up?
I usually get up around 7 o'clock.
Do you exercise?
Sometimes I exercise at home.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is kachi.
How many languages can you speak?
I speak 3 languages.
What are those languages?
I can speak Bangla, English and Hindi.
How is the weather today?
The weather is very beautiful today. It's a bit sunny, but it was rainy in the morning.
Can you cook?
I try to cook, but I am not very good at it.
What are you going to do today?
Today is Friday, it's weekend, so I am going to rest at home.
What are you doing now?
I am talking to you.
Where would you love to travel next?
I would like to go to London someday.
What did you do last night?
I ate dinner with my parents.
What are you going to do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I will go to my university.
What sports can you play?
I can play badminton.
Can you do me a favor?
Yes, of course. I can do you a favor.
Could you lend me 1000 taka?
Yes, of course. I can lend you 1000 taka.
Are you tired?
No, today I am not tired.
Are you hungry?
No, I am not hungry.
Do you like me?
Yes, I like you.
Could we have lunch together today?
Yes, sure. You can come to my house or I can come to your house.
Have you ever been to Singapore?
No, I have never been to Singapore.
Are you sick?
No, I'm not sick. I'm healthy, Alhamdulillah.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer black coffee.
Do you prefer traveling by car or bus or train?
I like traveling by train.
Are you rich?
No, I'm not rich.
Do you agree that money is the root of all evil?
Money is not the root of all evil. But in some cases, yes.
Are you an optimist or pessimist?
I am an optimist.
Who is your favorite celebrity?
I like Amir Khan.
Are you a pet lover?
Yes, I am.
Do you prefer cats or dogs?
I like both.
What's your favorite song?
I don't have any favorite song.
Do you collect anything?
Yes, I collect coins.
Are you an introvert or extrovert?
I am a little bit of both.
Do you get bored easily?
Yes, I get bored easily.
Thank you so much for answering my questions. I hope you have also enjoyed.
Thank you for having me.